Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Chin Pulse. In today's video, I am going to share about MEXC event, MENA Trading Trail. Yes, here you can also get $25 in BTC when they Chin Pulse my channel. This opportunity, within 30 days you have to register yourself. For that, I will provide a link in video description. You can check out, and after that you can come to the interface where you can easily write your email or phone number. I will provide my referral code that you have to write there. And after accept the terms and condition, you can easily click on the sign up and your account will be created successfully. After that, you can also go and register here. Once you log into the interface, you can also click on the register to enter into the account. Will be okay here to participate, and after that you can also check when this event is going to end. For that you can also check out the time is here. Within 30 days you can easily participate, and after that you can also go for step 1. That is to create the account. As sign up referral link in my video description I will provide. After that, you can also go to the second option. That is to deposit at least 100 days within 7 days of your first deposit and hold it for 7 days. And for that you can also click on the deposit option, or you can also come to the here like deposit. Yes, there is the option deposit. Select the crypto asset and select the chain. What chain you are going to use, and after that your code and address will be given. You can also use here these addresses of your account to recharge, and then you have to hold it for 7 days. And after that you can also check this third step, that is to accumulate future trading with the volume at least $100, and here you can also start to participate and track your activity here. Within 7 days, if you are eligible, you will be given some reward, and terms and conditions have been shared here, where you can also participate, and how link is going to provided in my video description. So you can also check out your history here, and you can also deposit, start holding, and create the account link in my video description. So you can also participate into this special event. Within 30 days time is here, and register yourselves, deposit and claim the reward. In this way you can also join as a new user reward too. Even you can also come here, MENA Trading free. Here is also for $30, but here you can also check $520 that will be given you. But for that you can also create the account link in my video description. I will provide a referral code, and after register your account you can also proceed trading tasks to unlock each tier. And different tier will be given here. For the tier progress, you can also track your progress for the first 50 users so fast active here, so you can also get the reward. And this is also for you when you will register yourself, and then you will also be eligible here. So in this way you can also come successfully to the participate. So it's your journey. You can easily claim and get reward that have been shown on the MEXC exchange, the global #1 exchange, where you can easily get how. You can also grab different chance, different opportunities, new startups on the main interface have been also shared here. So next you can also get all the crypto related update, where you can easily start your new epic journey across 2053 plus spot treasure, and there is also 842 future pair, and there you can also check out the market analysis on it. Even you can also hold the like MEXC token, so you can get your APY and there enjoy a 20% trading fee less. And here you can also download it from Google Play Store and APK, so your new epic and comprehensive journey can also be easy with. So in this way you can start in the MEXC, where $100 million Guardian Fund with the reservation 1 by 1 and future insurance fund you. So enjoy and have good chance for you. Yet you can enjoy and download their app, and see you next till then. Take care and goodbye. If you have any question you can ask in our comment box too.